One, two, three, testing. One, two, three. Okay, good morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Michael. I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So today is June 8th, 2020, and time is 4 minutes before market open. So let's just quickly find out all uh, the stock in play. So I got CCL, NCLH, UAL, AAL. So Oxy. So I got safe. Alright, say UAL, NCLH, NCLH, EAL, safe, Oxy. Alright, so 1 minute before market open. So I have CCL, AAL, UAL, NCLH, DAL, safe, and Oxy. Alright, let's see. So the strategy is wait until the first 5 minutes, then alright, market open. So I'm adding work as well. Okay, so I think market is sold out a little bit. Oxy looks like long Oxy, but I just wait until the until seeing a very nice entry. So I'm shorting NCLH. So shorting NCLH. Yep. Yep. So quick scalp on NCLH. I should have take more size on NCLH, but it seems like it's a nice quick scalp. UAL. Alright, I'm re-entering UAL. Yeah, so yeah, so it's I trade quite nicely today, and I'm quite happy and quite proud with what I did, because just following my entrance and keep my position open and hold my ground. So this is what happened. I'm earlier on UAL, the stock started a little bit weak, right? And this is the free web, and there is a bearish engulfing, and the stock is just keep dropping, right? So the appearance of long wick here, it makes me wonder whether this stock has any direction at all for UAL, right? Because if any every time you see this long wick, it means that there is no clear indication whether the stock is gonna go long or short. Look at these two. See this long wick here influence this bearish, huge bearish candle, and then the next candle is huge bullish candle, right? So this is a bearish engulfing, and this is bullish engulfing. These two, if you combine them, it will give you an appearance of long wick, which is, again, that's a logic behind it, right? So I quickly enter short here, tight stop loss, because there is a bunch of moving average that can be used as your resistance, right? So I quickly enter long and then quickly scalp down by this way, right? And it works quite nicely. That's my first trade. The second trade that I take is UAL, right? Look at this UAL. So again, oh no, the second trade that I take is NCLH. Yeah, NCLH. Look at this. This is huge bearish engulfing, right? Drop and then retrace back, right? So naturally, I try to go short with this green line here. I think the green line right here is the pre-market low, so acting as a resistance. So this is my stop loss. If I get this is my stop loss, quickly short and then quickly scalp going that way. So today is quite nicely. Today is 1.5%. Majority of my win is on the UAL. So I'm not ashamed of stop trading, even though this is just like what 7 minutes and you just stop trading. Yeah, because this is not gambling, right? This is not gambling. This is not Las Vegas. You go to Las Vegas or to Macau in Asia, yeah, you keep playing. You know, you're on a roll. But this is not gambling. This is trading, right? You're trading for living, right? So every time you reach your target, whether it's target positive or negative, you just stop trading. As simple as that, right? So because why? Because if you keep trading, imagine that you keep trading. Look at this the flow here, right? This is your bid and this is your ask. Look at the spread. The spread is 3%, 3 cents. So every time you enter, let's say you want to buy $100 or 100 shares, then you're already in a negative of $3. That's the spread is, right? So trading is not in your favor, right? So that's something that you need to understand that. So if you want to be a good trader, you need to set your daily target, usually in some form of percentage. Like say in my case, I my percentage usually between 1 and 2% of my account size. I have a small account size which is around $5,000, right? So every time I reach between $50 to $100, I stop. As simple as that. And the same thing also if I went negative, if I go negative, if I go minus 50 to minus 100, I stop. Just as simple as that, right? Look at this. Look at this NCLH. You go this NCLH, you're going short, right? And naturally you want to go short. Look at this. This is your acting. This is a very nice setup for short. Now imagine that if you go short in here, then the stock suddenly popped up, and that's put you in a negative, right? So again, there's no shame if you stop trading just maybe after 7 minutes. That's fine. Again, this is not gambling, right? If you want to gamble, then go stock trading, go to Vegas or go to Macau or go to Singapore in Marina Bay Sands. That's where you can gamble, right? But trading, every time you reach your target, you stop. Every time you reach your daily target, you stop. Just as simple as that. That's part of being a good trader, is not to lose money. Okay, so my name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG, and follow me in the next trade tomorrow around 8:30 p.m. Indonesian time, 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, or 9:30 in the morning New York times. Thank you very much.